Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. Students, today I will get you the current affairs of the month June and this is part 2. You know I cover 25 questions in each part and there are 4 parts that I provide in a month. So total how many questions I provide in a month? In a month I provide 25 into 4, that is 100 questions. And for which exam these questions will be beneficial? These questions will be beneficial for RIMC exam, RMS exam, and there is a small portion of current affairs section in the All India Sainik School exam. So you can get benefit in this exam also. So what is the weightage of current affair in RIMC exam? So the current affair weightage is around 30%. 25 questions directly come from current affair and rest of the questions are come from static GK and science. So can you prepare current affair in separate manner and static GK in separate? No, the answer is no. You have to prepare simultaneously both current affair as well as static GK because they are related to each other. If any national park is in news, then the question will come that where is this national park. So you can say that static GK depends upon the current affair and current affairs depend on the static GK. They are correlated to each other. So without delay, let's start. If you want to get any information regarding live class, book a demo, hostel facility, coded mock test, other, you can visit our website and fill up this form. Our expert team will call you and give you proper information. uh, we are going to start a mega we will provide you a mega surprise when on the 18th June. Okay, today I will not disclose this surprise. If I will disclose, then how it will be surprise. So and what for those students, for which type of student this will be? This will be for Sainik School, RIMC, and RMS military schools. And this is a YouTube program. This is a YouTube program. So I request most of the students should join on 18th June and and uh, uh, and take a look how the mega surprise is and how this surprise will benefit you. Foundation batch, uh, RIMC. If you have not joined this, then join this batch because this is very important. If you want to crack the RIMC, the exam that is going to held in December 2022. This is our hostels pictures, and if you want to take if you want to study through hostels, then you call on this number, and our sir will provide everything about the hostel facility, hostel charges, how will you benefit from the hostels, everything you will get. Through scanning this QR code, you can directly join the Telegram group. How will you get the live classes? Just dial on these numbers, connect these numbers, and book for RIMC, RMS, and Sainik School live classes. 2 live classes will be free of cost, no charge. After 2 live classes, if you continue, then you have to pay the charge. These are our recorded courses. You can avail these courses. These are test series. So today, what will I do? I will cover the part 2 of the month June. Part 2 of the month June 2022. And the language of the video will be complete English. So last time I gave you a burning question. What was the burning question? Let's look. Burning question was Panchmadi Hill Station is located in which mountain range? So Panchmadi Hill Station is located in Satpura mountain range. Satpura. And in Satpura there is Mahadev Hills. There is Mahadev Hills. Mahadev Hills. MAHAD Mahadev Hills. And what is the highest point of Satpura range? That is Mount Dhupgarh. Dhupgarh is the highest point. Dhoopgarh. Dhupgarh is the highest point of Satpura range, and Dhupgarh is located in uh, it is located in Hoshangabad district. That is Hoshangabad. New name is Narmadapuram district. Okay, So Dhupgarh height is 352. So today's question number one: which state has been ranked at first place as per fourth food safety index? So fourth food safety index, the number one state is Tamil Nadu. The number one state is Tamil Nadu, and this index is given by FSSAI. This is the food regulator. Food regulator. What is the full form of FSSAI? Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi. You have to remember this point. This rating is given by this index is released by FSSAI, and it is a autonomous body to control the food safety. And what is the FSSAI full form? Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Okay, and uh, who is the chief minister of Tamil Nadu? M.K. Stalin. You have to remember this name, M.K. Stalin. And the 44th chess olympiad, the 44th chess olympiad will be hosted by Tamil Nadu. Hosted by Tamil Nadu. And the mascot is Thambi. This is important question. Thambi is the mascot of the 44th chess olympiad that will be hosted by Tamil Nadu. Okay, and there is an important classical dance that is conducted by Tamil Nadu, that is Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam. Okay, so Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. Okay, next question. World Oceans Day is celebrated annually on which day? So World Oceans Day is celebrated on 8th of June. The correct answer is 8th of June. And what is the theme? The theme is revitalization, collective action for the oceans. Collective actions for the ocean. And which is the largest ocean in the world? Majorly there are 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, uh, uh, Indian Ocean, that is Southern Ocean also, and Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean also. Okay, there are 5. So which is the largest? Largest is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, and smallest is Arctic Ocean. That's Arctic Circle, Arctic Ocean. Okay, and second largest is Atlantic Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. Ring of Fire is related to Pacific Ocean. Okay, next question. Where is the head office of World Bank? Where is the head office of World Bank? World Bank head office is located in Washington DC. Washington DC, and Washington DC is the capital city of USA. Capital city of USA. And World Bank's another name is IBRD. IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. And who is the president of World Bank? David Malpass. David Malpass is the president of World Bank at present. And there is a conference, that is Bretton Woods Conference. You have to remember this term. BRETTON. Bretton Woods Conference. Bretton Woods Conference. So World Bank and International Monetary Funds are the twin that are formed by through this conference, that is Bretton Woods Conference. So it is a common question that is asked, that which of the following organization is formed through Bretton Woods convention. Okay, so you will mark either World Bank or IMF. Okay, next question. Jyotiraditya Scindia is the current Union Minister for as on June 2022. So Jyotiraditya Scindia is the current Union Minister for Civil Aviation. Civil Aviation. Who is Agriculture Minister? Narendra Singh Tomar. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. And Civil Aviation Minister is this person. Okay, next question. So join 18th June to look at the surprise, because this is a complete YouTube package. It is a complete YouTube package, and it is free of cost. So that every student can get the education, and so it will be very beneficial for all the students. Champaran Satyagraha of 1917 was the first Satyagraha movement led by Mahatma Gandhi in British India. Champaran is located in which state? So, when Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa, and after returning of 2 years, Mahatma Gandhi started Champaran Satyagraha, that in 1917. Mahatma Gandhi returned on 9 Jan 1915 from South Africa. After 2 years, nearly 2 years, he started Champaran Satyagraha. So, Champaran place is located in which state? It is located in Bihar. It is located in Bihar. Next question. What is the capital city of Bihar? Patna. Patna is the capital city of Bihar. Next question. Which country has topped Global Environment Performance Index? So this index is given by America. America's Yale and Columbia University give this released this environment performance index. So what is the rank of India? India was the lowest. India's rank is the lowest. Okay, what is the rank of India? India's rank is lowest. But the question is, which has topped this index? So this index is topped by Denmark. This index is topped by Denmark. In 180 countries, India was lowest. That is 180. However, Indian government was not happy with this index, and so the topmost country is Denmark. Next question. Mithali Raj announced retirement from all forms of which game? So she announced her retirement from cricket. The correct answer is cricket. And she has been the ODI captain and Test captain. Now she has announced her retirement. Next question. As per QS World University Ranking 2023, which institute has been ranked number one in India? Number one in India. So in India, number one this time it is IISC Bangalore. Indian Institute of Science Bangalore has been number one. Okay, and what is the overall ranking? What is the overall ranking of IISc Bangalore? Because in India it is number one, but in all of the world, number one is MIT. Massachusetts Institute of Technology at remained number one at 11th consecutive year. So this is number one. So, and in all over the world, which is what is the rank of Indian IISc Bangalore? It is ranked at 155th place. 155th place. In whole of the world, IISc Bangalore is ranked 155th place, and in India it is ranked number one. Next question. Who has become first Indian to be recognized as global SDG Sustainable Development Goal, pioneer by UNGC, United Nations General Council. Okay, United Nations General. What is the full form of UNGC? It is not United Nations General Council. It is United Nations Global Compact. Okay, United Nations Agency, and it is located in New York. So who has been recognized global SDG pioneer? That is Ramkrishna Mukhaveli. Okay, correct answer is option number A. Special drawing rights is the currency of which organization? Very important questions. This type of static GK questions are very important. Special drawing rights SDR is the currency of which organization? It is the currency of International Monetary Fund. International Monetary Fund. And where is the headquarter of International Monetary Fund? International Monetary Fund and World Bank headquarter in Washington DC. They are twins formed under the Bretton Woods Convention. Okay, so Asian Development Bank headquarter in Philippines, Manila. Exim Bank, Export Import Bank of India, it is headquartered in Mumbai. It is a Bank of India. Prime Minister inaugurated headquarters of InSpace at which place? So so its headquarters has been inaugurated at that is Ahmedabad. It is inaugurated at Ahmedabad. The correct answer is. And at which place in Ahmedabad? In Ahmedabad, it is inaugurated at Bhopal. Okay, it is inaugurated at Bhopal. So you have not to be confused with Bhopal. Bhopal is another thing. It is Bhopal, Bopal, Bhopal. Bhopal is a place at Ahmedabad district of Gujarat. And what is the full form of InSpace? InSpace is Indian National Promotion. I miss Indian. I miss Indian. N miss National. S miss Space. Promotion and Authorization Center. Promotion and Authorization Center. This is InSpace. It is an autonomous and single window nodal agency in the Department of Space for promotion, encouragement and regulation of space activity of both government and private sector. So it was established under in June 2022, but now its headquarters has been inaugurated in Ahmedabad. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next question. Every year, World Day Against Child Labor is observed on which day? So it is observed on 12th of June. Very important question in terms of day in the month of June. And what is the theme? Universal social protection to end child labor. Theme is also important. Universal social protection to end child labor. Avni Lekhara represents India in which game? So Avni Lekhara represents India in shooting. She is a parachuter. She is a parachuter. And why she is in news? Because Avni Lekhara clinched two gold medal in world shooting championship in France. Two gold medals. She clinched two gold medal. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is not a jhum cultivation? So jhum cultivation is also known as slash and burn cultivation. Slash and burn cultivation. So which is not a jhum cultivation? It is Tamil Nadu, because jhum cultivation is majorly cultivated in northeastern states like as Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Assam. Okay, so these all the three states are northeastern states, but Tamil Nadu is southern state. Okay, next question. Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy is the current chief minister of. So he is the current chief minister of Andhra Pradesh. He is the current chief minister of Andhra Pradesh. And in Andhra Pradesh, there is a very famous classical dance, that is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi. You can't forget this name, Kuchipudi. Pulicat Lake is also in Andhra Pradesh. Pulicat Lake. D is the right answer. Jayakwadi Bird Sanctuary is located in which state? So Jayakwadi Bird Sanctuary located in Maharashtra. Correct answer is Maharashtra. Uddhav Thackeray is the CM. Uddhav Thackeray is the CM of Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital city is Mumbai. Mumbai is known as City of Dreams. Which city is known as City? Mumbai is known as City of Dreams. If you have not joined the foundation batch, don't delay this, because December is coming very near, and at least you need 6 months to prepare for the RIMC like tough exam. So if you will join this batch, your way to get success of RIMC will be very easy. Okay, so don't do delay. Join RIMC foundation batch as soon as possible. Which institution has launched country's first agri land price index? So the institution is IIM Ahmedabad. The institution is IIM Ahmedabad. So correct answer is IIM Ahmedabad. World Blood Donor Day. So World Blood Donor Day is observed on 14th of June. The correct answer is 14th of June. And host nation for Blood Donor Day is Mexico. It is Mexico. For the year 2022, Mexico is the host nation. And who discovered the blood group? This is a very important question. This is a strategic question. Who discovered? Carl. Important is Karl. Carl Landsteiner. Landste. Spelling mistake can be there. NER. Carl Landsteiner discovered blood group. And the theme is donating blood is an act of solidarity. Join the effort and saves lives. This is the theme. Which state has been ranked number 1 in Khelo India Youth Game title 2021? Because due to COVID in the 2021 Khelo India Youth Game could not be happened, but now it is happened in which state? It was happened in Panchkula district of Haryana. So which state has been ranked as number 1? Which state won the maximum gold medal? So it is Haryana. Correct answer is Haryana. And how many medals won by Haryana? Haryana won 52 gold, 39 silvers, and 46 bronze. 52 gold, 39 silvers and 46 bronze. Second position, Maharashtra was second position, Karnataka it was third position. The tomb of Sher Shah Suri is located at which place? So the tomb of Sher Shah Suri, it is located. It is a question of static GK. So it is located at Sasaram. And where is Sasaram? Sasaram is in Bihar. Sasaram is in Bihar state. Okay. Himachal Pradesh has become the first state to approve policy regarding. So Himachal Pradesh has become the first state to approve policy regarding drones policy. Drones will be used in various government and private sector schemes. And who is the governor of Himachal Pradesh? Himachal Pradesh governor is Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar is the governor. And who is the chief minister? Jairam Thakur. Jairam Thakur is the chief minister of. And there is a very important fair in Himachal Pradesh, that is Renuka fair. Renuka fair. Next question. So this is our surprise. We will unveil this surprise on 18th June. So just join maximum students to see what will be your surprise, and this surprise will be very helpful for you. It is a YouTube program. Recently, the world's first fishing cat census was conducted at which lake? So it was conducted at Chilka Lake. And where is Chilka Lake? Chilka Lake is located in Odisha. And Chilka Lake is the largest brackish water lake. Just remember this term, largest brackish water lake. If the question comes, largest brackish water lake in Asia. In Asia, it is Chilka Lake. And what about Sambar Lake? Sambar Lake is the simple lake. It is a salt water lake, and it is located in Rajasthan. Mostly you will get confused in Sambar and Chilka. So Sambar Lake is located in Rajasthan and Chilka Lake is in Odisha. Vembanad Lake is the largest lake of India and it is located in Kerala. Dal Lake is located in Srinagar. Okay. So if a question comes, which is the largest lake of India? That is Vembanad Lake. Which is the largest brackish water lake? It is Chilka Lake. And okay, so next question is, who among the following is designated as Supreme Commander of Indian Air Force? So Supreme Commander of Indian Air Force is always our President. It is a Supreme Commander of Indian Air Force, Indian Army and Indian Navy. All the three forces, the Supreme Commander is our President. So don't mark that the Air Force Chief, Indian Army Chief, they are not the supreme commander. Supreme commander is our president of all the three forces, that is Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force. So correct answer is president. Through which of the following state does the river Brahmaputra flow? So the river Brahmaputra flow through Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, it flows through Arunachal Pradesh. After flowing through Tibet, it enters through Arunachal Pradesh and flow through Assam. Okay, Assam and then Bangladesh, and it joins to Bay of Bengal. So it started from Tibet and enter in Arunachal Pradesh, flow through Assam and through Bangladesh, and it drains into Bay of Bengal. B is the right answer. Which country passed world's first right to repair law for digital electronics? So because e-waste is a very serious problem. So which country passed this law? The correct answer is USA. The correct answer is USA. Today's burning question, very important question. What is the burning question? Yes. Who among the following had written the poem सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है? Okay, and this is the shorter version. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना. You have to answer who had written this poem सरफरोशी की तमन्ना. Okay, just answer this question in the comment box. Maximum students should answer this question because burning question is very important. And this is our foundation batch. If you have not joined this, then join it. And these are our recorded courses, these are our test series, and mega surprise, we will unveil this surprise on 18th June. So just join the YouTube channel and watch what is the this surprise. If you like the video, and like it, share it, subscribe the channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you do so, then you will get maximum notification, updated information regarding RIMC, RMS, and other school entrance examination. If you have any doubt, you can call on these numbers. These are our official numbers. So student, all the best. Thanks for watching.